Presentar is the best in the biz. Software simple is point, click, and profit. There's never been a better way to make a presentation, and their director with deal Sean Dream is amazing. Really went from rags to riches. Now he's helping other entrepreneurs become the man in their business. The app is just a click away. There's no experience required, so it's wired for anyone to get rich today. To innovate, you just gotta believe. Make a plan and take action until your job is complete. Cause if a goal could be imagined, it could also be reached with just a little dedication and the tools that you need. So what you waiting for? Get off the couch. If you wanna be successful, then not some more than you slouch. Time's already running out. Clock's counting down. Don't wait around. Get Presentar now.